Inside a healthy cell, life is constantly in motion. Energy is being produced, and protective systems are already at work. This balanced environment reflects active antioxidant defense, the foundation of cellular protection. To produce glutathione, your body requires 3 amino acids. This is where the first step of synthesis begins. Glutamate binds to cysteine, forming a new structure, and most importantly, the sulfur group remains intact. Next, glycine binds to the structure, completing the formation of glutathione. Glutathione is often called the body's master intracellular antioxidant. Every cell has the ability to produce it through a precise enzyme-regulated process. This synthesis occurs naturally inside the cell, when the required amino acid precursors are available. IMMA, bringing clarity to the science of cellular protection.